But lots of stocks in focus, so let's get straight down to that. The first tick on the index on expected lines is on the red side, so 45 points lower on the Nifty, just trending below that 18,600 mark. Nothing alarming in terms of a sell-off, but a bit of a red tick. It's led by the Bank Nifty, which is down about 112 odd points. SBI is your top loser, down about 2%. Reliance is down 0.6%. HDFC. So it's just a wave of profit taking that you're seeing across the frontliners. Infosys, ITC, M&M are all under a tad bit of pressure. Hindalco as well is down about 1.5 odd %. And you have the Bajaj twins, Bajaj Finserv, that is a tad bit soft this morning. But you'd have to say that the market opening is very quiet. It's got a little bit of a red hue, but still holding on tight to that 18,600 mark. What's leading from the front is HDFC Life. We spoke about that. There's a big equity block deal of 1.7% that has taken place in HDFC Life. So, that stock is holding up in the green. There's Sun Pharma, Bharti Airtel, Nestle India, Maruti that are all trending in the green right now. And a couple of other stocks like Titan, BPCL, Kotak Mahindra Bank that are also holding up and batting for the bulls this morning. Vedanta is one stock in focus. It's down almost about 1.5%, so just keep an eye out on that. And plenty of stocks in the broader market, so we will, of course, focus on that. But for now, looks like it's a very quiet opening, a little bit of a red bias coming through. There's a block deal that has happened on Sona BLW, about almost 3.5% equity, a little over that has changed hands. So that's another stock in focus. And we were talking about good result reactions. So the GMDC is one that's, just popped up on my charts, 5% higher. But I'm sure there's plenty on your list.
Well, I guess we've seen most of the reactions. Lemon Tree, for instance, is up about 2.5%. Suzlon, about 3%. There's some early buying on an Equitas, a small finance bank. But other than that, you don't have very big sharpshooters early in the morning on the volumes page, at least on the the bigger volume action. Sona BLW Precision continues to be hitting the headlines because of that block that happened, 5% lower over there. There's some selling on some volumes on Liberty shoes, but otherwise it's really absolutely quiet. The index to focus on really is the Bank Nifty. That's the one that's down about 0.5% as we speak. SBI is pulling it down straight away, 2% gone from SBI, so there's a pressure there. IndusInd Bank is lower. So banks are reeling under pressure. Reliance is under pressure. These are the biggies that are keeping a lid on the gains for the index as well. Actually, on the Nifty, you have only one stock that's up 1%, and that's HDFC Life. The other Nifty gainers are up barely 0.25% to 0.5%. So this will classify as a bit of a weakish start now. 50 lower on the Nifty. So I guess, Prashant, this is dithering, right? I mean, we had Asian markets pretty weak as well. This whole dithering till the last hour on the US debt ceiling. Perhaps just keeping everybody at the edge of their seats?
Oh, absolutely, but 0.25%. So neither here nor there, but a little weak, nevertheless, as you said. Well, stocks on your screen, and we'll kind of mention more of them as we go along, but this is just the open with a 60-point cut. Harsha